Okay, let's have a look here. The equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 130. Find the slope of the tangents of the circle at the point minus 7, 9. That doesn't look too bad to me. Implicit differentiation, 2x plus 2y dy dx equals 0. So that means dy dx equals minus x over y. And we want to calculate at the point minus 7, 9. So at the point minus 7, 9, that would be 7 over 9. 2x plus 2y x over y. Yeah. Okay, let's clear that off. Right, complete the square now. So we have x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared. So that's x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 4y. And that will equal 12 minus, sorry, let me think, sorry. That's a 9, and that's a 4, that's a 13, but I need a minus 12, so I need a minus 25, isn't it? So that would be 5 squared. So the center is 3 minus 2, and the radius is 5. Yeah, I think that's fine. The two surges touch externally. Find the value of k. Alright, well, for the second circle, that's x plus 6 squared plus y minus 10 squared. Equal to 36 plus 100 minus k. So that's 136 minus k. So if you expand this, you'll get x squared plus 12x plus y squared minus 20y plus 36 plus 100. And that will cancel the 36 and 100 here and then bring the k back over. So yeah, I can see that's the radius and that's the center. So that's the radius and the center is minus 610. Well, the distance between the centers is square root 9 squared plus 12 squared. So what's that now? That's 5. 225. 225, square root 225 is 15. So if they're touching, and the distance between them is 15, and one of them has a radius of 5, it means the other one has to have a radius of 10. And I just realized I forgot the square root there. So therefore, 10 has to equal 136 minus k, which means k is 36. Okay, I think I did that all right. I'm trying to do all this mental arithmetic in my head. It's hard when you're tired. Okay. C. A circle intersects a line. A circle intersects a line at these points. Okay, and the midpoint of AB is M. Let's just have a rough sketch here. Minus 3, 0. 5, minus 4. Okay. Alright. The midpoint is M. Find the M. Well, that's a good one to start with. So minus 3 and 5 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. 1 minus 2. So the m is at 1 minus 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Yeah, okay. The distance from the center of the circle. Why did I not draw the midpoint on the actual line? That would make more sense. Okay. The distance from the center of the circle to m is root 5. Find the equation of the two circles to satisfy this condition. Okay, so I'm not sure what's happening exactly. I'll just draw some circle in here. But wherever the midpoint is, somewhere, and the distance away is root 5. Oh, well, of course, this is a chord and it's perpendicular to it. So actually, I know it has to move along perpendicular. So I think what I'll do first is I'll get this slope here. I'll call this M1. And then I'll get this slope here, M2. So M1 would be minus 4 minus 0 over 5 minus 3. So that's minus a half. So that means M2 is equal to 2. So this is a slope of 2. So if I draw a triangle, a slope of 2 means I go out 1 and I go up 2. And nicely, that means in such a situation, that is root 5. So in fact, I just have to move out 1 unit and up 2 units. So my midpoint, which I've deleted for some reason, which was 1 minus 2, I just have to add on to that 1, 2. And I get the center is 2, 0. So it's actually here, which looks about right. Good. And then the radius is all that's left. So the radius, well, actually, that's really clear because if that's at minus 3, 0, and then that's at 2, 0, that means the radius is 5. So this circle here would be x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 5 squared. No, sorry, what was... No, sorry, that's not the center. The center was 2, 0. So it's x minus 2 squared plus y squared equals... And what did I just say for the radius? That's 3 units, and that's 2 units to the center. So 5 units then. Oh, 2 circles, of course, because I could have gone the other direction. That would have worked as well. So that would be 1 minus 1 is 0, and minus 2 is minus 4. So the other situation could have been x squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Okay. Hopefully I didn't... Again, apologies, I'm quite tired and I'm doing all this in my head. So if you notice a mistake, just say so in the comments, please. But I think that's okay. I suppose if I was on my other computer, I could actually graph this to see if it makes sense. But let's just check, for example, that minus 3, 0 is satisfying both of these. So minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Squared is 25 plus 0 equals 5 squared. Yeah, and then here that's going to be 9 plus 16 is 25. Yeah, okay. So let's check the 0.5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 squared is... Yeah, okay, that's fine. And then here 5 squared plus 0 is 5 squared. So yeah, so both those points are on both those circle equations. And it has a radius of 5 then. Minus 3, 0 to 2. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I think this is fully right. But you never know. You never see things clearly when you're tired. Alright, we'll wrap it up there now. It's not too bad of a question, I think.